Alright, hey guys, I'm Gabrielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, a little special little welcome to y'all. But yeah, I'm so excited. Like, you guys have been asking in my last video, what hair do you have in? What hair do you have in? This right here is from Stema Hair Company. I did an unboxing on this texture. I did some cutting and all of that, and yes, I have a video clip of me actually styling this wig, like I said in my last video. I really want to show you guys how I actually got the style. So yeah, I definitely do have that video clip, and that will be at the end of the video. But right now, I want to just get into the details about this hair. Okay, so I have my usual 4 bundles in. I have 2 20s, 2 18s, and then 16 lace closure. Ooh, the way the sun is hitting me, y'all, like, ooh, good lighting. All right, okay, so 4 bundles and a lace closure. This hair is definitely thicker than what I thought it was going to be, which is, you know, the thicker the better. Y'all know me by now. I really love thick, messy hair. So, yeah, it was a pleasant surprise. The hair right now, like, I've only wore it for about 2 days, so I can't really give you an update. That's definitely going to come in about a a week and a half to 2 weeks. I'll upload another video on how this hair is holding up. But I do want to say that in the initial unboxing video, I said that this hair had a smell and it was kicking, and it was just like, it smelled like fish food, really. And I talked to the owner, and she told me that they shampoo their bundles and then they send it to whoever ordered it, and they leave that shampoo in or on the bundles. So that's why it's really important to wash your bundles and everything like that, because you don't know what you don't know what a company leaves on the bundles before sending it to you. But she basically just reassured me that the smell would definitely leave after I shampooed it. So I ended up shampooing and conditioning this unit 2 times, and that's because after the first time I shampooed and conditioned it, it still had like a faint smell. So I went ahead and did a shampoo and condition, I was about to say treatment. I shampooed and conditioned it for the second time, and the smell was completely gone. It's no longer an issue. So just know, if you get this hair or any textures, I guess, from their company and it has a smell, just wash it like a couple times, 2 times, you know, and it will be gone. So yes, I want to throw in a little disclaimer, because in the demonstration part of where I'm showing you how I styled this video, I basically shampooed it, I let it air dry, and then I cut it. And as you guys will see in the demonstration part, the ends of the hair seem a little bit like straight almost towards the bottom. And it will look like that if you cut your hair and it's curly or wavy. And that is why you have to go in and co-wash it again. And I did my little, you know, my little, I don't know, make the curls pop trick. That's when I drop it in a towel and let it crinkle up a little bit more. And that's why, if you guys can notice, the ends of the hair are a little bit more waved up and basically a little bit more curlier, because the curls are popping now. So I definitely had to co-wash it before showing you the final, you know, look of me cutting the hair. Okay, so the natural state of this hair, like, ladies, like, look at this. Like, I'm just so happy with how this texture is, because sometimes when you get like body wave textures, really you're just getting like a straight texture with like a bent to it, like a slight bent. So when I co-washed this hair and I saw the natural state of this, I was just like in love, because it is definitely wavy. Like, I wish all body wave textures came like this, for sure. Although I have only been wearing this hair for about 2 days, I am so optimistic about this wig, this unit that I have in right now. I feel like it's going to be so low maintenance. It does not feel dry as of right now, so I have not been putting any products on the hair. It's really just, you know, it's movie, and I feel like it's just pop it on your head and go out the door and you're done. Like, I'm just really excited for this, but I will definitely continue to wear this wig so I can give you guys a really good update on this. And I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back of it, which I think I showed it in a demonstration, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm gonna do it right now. But alright, you guys, so that's really about it. So stay tuned because the demonstration part on how I styled and cut this hair is next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Wow.